Welcome to Alpha LTD YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the auto pressing keypad issue on your Windows 10 laptop. Let's get started. First, open Device Manager by searching for it and Start menu. Find it and double click on Keyboards. Then right click on your keyboard driver and select Update Driver. Choose Browse my computer for device and follow the steps to update. Once the update is completed, you will promote to restart your computer by clicking yes. This is still not working. I will give you this bonus tip. You can try this also.